The Coach Laurel Shoulder Bag is a stylish and versatile accessory that offers a blend of sophistication and practicality. Design: the Laurel Shoulder Bag boasts a classic, timeless design with clean lines and a structured silhouette. Handbag crafted from high-quality leather, ensuring durability and a luxurious feel. Functionality: the Coach Laurel Bag features a spacious interior compartment to accommodate your essentials, along with additional pockets for organization. Handbag equipped with a detachable shoulder strap, allowing you to carry it as a crossbody or shoulder bag. Versatility: the Coach Laurel Shoulder Bag is suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to formal events. Handbag timeless design and neutral color options make it a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Review. Positive reviews: many customers have praised the Laurel Shoulder Bag for its quality, durability, and stylish appearance. They appreciate its spacious interior and the option to carry it as a crossbody or shoulder bag. Negative reviews: some customers have noted that the bag can be slightly heavy, especially when fully loaded. Additionally, the pricing may be considered high for some. Color. The Coach Laurel Shoulder Bag is available in a range of colors, including black, brown, tan, gray, red, blue. Overall, the Coach Laurel Shoulder Bag is a well-crafted and stylish accessory that offers both functionality and elegance. If you're looking for a versatile bag that can complement various outfits, the Laurel is a great option to consider.